M&M's. Toby. Dude. Stop. I just woke up. Sit. Chill, puppy. Chill. Okay. Just woke up. Echo's not here. Don't know where he went. His cell phone's left here. I hope he's okay. I don't know where he went. Yeah, last night I did all of our pictures and stuff. Yep. Those are all of our pictures. That stack of pictures were in here now. So, all of my pictures are here. We still have more. We gotta go buy more stuff, but... See, that was my graduation day. That's Tori, me in the middle, and Brooke. And then Michael's pictures here, and then he has a few pictures we need to still put in. But I stayed up until 2 o'clock last night trying to do that. Good thing I don't work today. Where'd you go? Oh, Toby.
I'm working on a car.
Oh, you were working on my car. Oh, you're such a sweet man. I just woke up, okay?
Gotcha.
Did you get it fixed?
No, I'm still working on it.
He's changing my headlights in my car. We went to the store and got some more light bulbs for me because my headlights went out. Toby, you're on candid camera.
Be cute, quick.
Toby, stop smacking me in the face with your tail. You little butt. You little butt. So this is the setup of my whole art thing. That's where I'm going to put my still life piece, the chair I'm going to sit in, easel I'm painting on, and my paints are going to be over there. And then we got the stand for the camera set up already. But my dad's going to be coming over here in a few hours, and we're just trying to clean up and everything before I actually start doing that stuff. But I know I need to start doing it here in about an hour because I only got sunlight to do the things that I need to do. So, go, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. So I just... What?
No, not an ASPCA t-shirt.
That's for good cause, buttface.
I know.
Anyway. So I did my art channel thing, and I'm going to enter the clip now. Hey guys, so what are we doing?
Nothing. We were doing absolutely nothing. Actually, we're taking over the world. We're going to start with the theater, and then we're going to move on from there. Broadway, baby. Let's do this. Ow. You are abusive. Ow. Okay, maybe not the theater. We'll start with Broadway. Anyway, we're fixing to head. Go to Panera Bread. Made her dad dinner.
We're gonna go have dinner with my father, so this is what we're gonna go do.
You know she's an artiste when she has more paint on her...
You can't see it.
Right there. She has more paint on her elbow than she does...
It's not on my elbow.
It's on her right there. Right there.
I can't see it.
Probably has a yellow light.
Oh, there you guys go.
Look at that. She has more paint on her arm than she got on the canvas. Just kidding. Love you. Ow. Oh no, it's Two-Face.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's get going. Come on, honey. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. Let's go. Come on.
Here we come. Walking down the street. Get funniest looks from everyone we meet.
I feel like we're in the car like every day.
We usually are.
Yeah,
It's freaks you guys,
yeah, a little bit, because you would think that someday, I don't know, I feel like we have a problem with staying inside the apartment.
I do. I feel them here way too high for just to sit in
Yeah.
the house and just do nothing.
Like, we literally cannot just sit in an apartment and just be like, oh, let's not
Sit
do
on the
nothing
couch and do
today.
nothing.
We always have to be like, go, 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 go. Do something.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go jump off a bridge.
No, straight or
Straight. You want to go jump off a bridge with me?
it depends on how high and what balloon. Now,
Very high in water.
Very high in water. No.
You didn't vlog, did you?
Now we are.
All right. Have a good one.
All right, you too.
Yep.
I love
Talk
you, Dad.
to you. Love you too.
So,
Mike, take care.
All right, you too.
Tyler's
Thanks, Martin.
leaving. We actually forgot to vlog. Sorry, M&M's.
We suck.
Terrible. Yeah.
We're fired. Just back at it.
Back here.
Following you. No, you got it.
Yes. Oh, why, thank you, good sir. Ow! That's how you get the door. I ran into the door.
Okay.
Toby, that has to be uncomfortable, little buddy. Are you okay? Are you a sleepy tobers? Yeah.
Hola. ¿Qué pasa?
Hi, guys.
What's up?
We're going to bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Been a long day.
Yeah, it has been a very long day. Definitely a very, 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 very long day. So, peace out, you guys.
Deuces.
And we're not going to do a zoom in face today. We're going to do a
Zoom
Toby
puppy.
zoom in face. Toby zoom in face.
All it is, I heard your stomach go. Boop.
I just knocked the wind out of me. I
Good
can't
job.
breathe. Oh.
The other one, would have hurt you more than it would hurt me. I like it. She's sad.
Raining image.
Somebody's already after